What's going on, crypto cousins? It's your Bitcoin baby daddy here with another episode. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Damn, I almost hit my head on this mic. Hit the subscribe button because I'm making content every day this month, so you know what it is. So I tweeted this out the other day: dead cat bounce or bull market continue? Your thoughts below. And I always like to see like what the community thinks it is. People calling 3K, whatnot. People saying that, you know, we're coming down to the 20-week MA soon, in his opinion, and whatnot. So I like getting everybody's opinion. Some people are bullish. Some people think we're keep going, and some people think, you know, we need some more retracement before we keep going further. So I just want to talk about what a dead cat bounce is. So a lot of people don't really know what that is. It's more of a trading term. Here's the actual technical definition of a dead cat bounce. A dead cat bounce is a temporary recovery of an asset's price from a prolonged or declined or bear market that is followed by a continuous downtrend. A dead cat bounce is a small, short-lived recovery in the price of a declining security. So just pulling up this picture right here, you can see how the price of something is going down. Then you get a pop-off like it's gonna go back to where it needs to, and usually gets rejected at whatever that one price is, like right here. So if we could draw a straight line, this probably, like if I could draw a straight line across, this area was probably when they dropped again, and it continues going down. So that's what a dead cat bounce is. Now when it comes to Bitcoin, just looking at the price of Bitcoin, this is not what I'm interpreting to when it comes to like a dead cat bounce, because right now Bitcoin's looking really good. Like it's looking really good. Like I'm honestly pleasantly surprised that Bitcoin's doing so good right now. And it's a good thing. Granted, I'm a little pissed because I liquidated some coins, and I'm mad. I liquidated some coins right now, but it's okay. You know, money management. But yeah, Bitcoin is looking pretty good. We were consolidating here, then we popped off, and then we're consolidating under a new area, and it looks like we want to pop off again. Now, granted, we are in this area right here, where it was previous support. Now it's turning into resistance. But since we broke this line right here, like this area right here, I think we can get back up into this 12k, what is it, 12k, 11k area. I mean, granted, people are still scared, like the CME gap. If I see if I got this right here, here we go. Yeah, so we've got this CME gap that we still haven't filled. And, you know, a lot of people are like, man, we have to come back to this thing. We have to come back to this thing. And I honestly believe the more people keep saying we have to come back to this thing, the more likely we're not coming back to it until we do. And everyone's like, see, I told you we had to come back to it. That's just how the game plays, guys. I'll just let you know, that's how the game is played here. But me personally, what I'm looking at is more consolidation at a higher level. And it's looking like we want to keep going, at least specifically for Bitcoin. Now, yesterday I put out, not yesterday, but I think the day before, I put out the Bitcoin, the crypto money flow cycle from the other Rec Capital. And I truly wholly believe in this method as well, because I've been in this for a while and I've seen it do that. I've seen money flow from Bitcoin to Ethereum to mid cap alts, and then low cap alts, and then the money comes back to Bitcoin. So what I'm seeing is that money is probably coming back into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's going to make a nice run. And then once that Bitcoin's done making its run again, then the money gets flowed down into alts, then the money gets flowed down into low cap gems and all that good stuff. So the reason why I want to come out to you guys today, I saw this article that I was reading, Pantera Capital. They're an investment fund, I believe. Yes, they are. Pantera Capital came out with their digital asset fund, and they disclosed this information, saying that they're going heavy into DeFi. They're going to super heavy into DeFi. They've got store value, you know, they got some Bitcoin, but they want returns, bro. They want ridiculous amounts of gains. And that's what they're looking at. So now the reason why I talk about DeFi so much is because when I first got into the space, I was told about all these different stories about the ICO season and how ridiculous amounts of money were being made, and it was crazy, and blah 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 blah. You missed out on the boat, you caught on the tail end. I'm sorry, bro. You'll never have this opportunity to multiply your money again in your lifetime. But then I continued in the crypto space, more and more people kept saying DeFi is the new ICO season. DeFi is going to be the new wave that pushes crypto to the next level. And right now, that's exactly what's happening. The DeFi space is pushing Ethereum to levels like gas fees, everything. It's just pushing Ethereum to the next level, and it's forcing Ethereum that it has to upgrade. Seeing that, I'm like, nah, bro, I'm right here. I ain't missing it out this time. I'm not finna miss out because I know how it feels to buy a top, bro, and I deserve these gains. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, I deserve these gains. But going back into it, we can just look at the top DeFi plays of right now, what's everything going on. But I wanted to show you guys different charts of like different DeFi products. So right here we have stake, and if we look at the 3-month, it looks like a downtrend, and now it's looking like it wants to come back into this area, this $15 area, and hopefully it can make it support. But if not, if it can't make this support, it's going to keep going down. And that's what I mean by dead cat bounce, in the sense of, you can see it right here, like this is kind of like a dead cat bounce, and then it keeps going down, and we'll see. So that was the first, that's stake, that's XDAI. I'm still bullish on these coins. I'm not trying to be bearish on any of these coins at all. I'm still bullish on them, but I just want to let you guys know like what I'm seeing. And yes, I still hold XDAI. I still have a bag of XDAI. Anytime I sell coins, I don't sell all my coins. I always leave a bag so that way I can reaccumulate. Because if you don't leave a small bag in your coins, you're going to completely forget about that project and never look at it again. And the next thing you know, it's up 100% one day, and you're like, wait, what happened? You know what I'm saying? So I always leave a nice little bag of coins, something that, you know, makes me continue to look at the project and keep researching to see what it is. So like I said, I'm not bashing any of these projects, but in the short term, I'm somewhat bearish on some of these projects. Now, going into synthetics, and I'm looking like the 30-day, the last month for all of these. You can see synthetics is also going through a corrective period. Granted, it looks like it found like a double bottom, because this bottom right here is the same as this bottom right here. And it's looking like it wants to come back and test up this area and keep moving on. So this is looking okay right now, but I don't really see, like, if you think about it, down and then coming back down and then trying to come back down. If we let this play out longer, you know what I'm saying? And just looking at the 90-day chart, it doesn't look any better. It just really looks like we're just trying to take away from all those hype gains and just getting back into a regular area. Now, another one is Uniswap token, Uni. You can see it had a big $8 top, almost hit $8 top, and then corrected, and then it continues to correct, and now we're in the area where the Uni token first came out, around $2 and such cents, which is a lot better than buying anytime during the beginning of the hype. But we're gonna have to wait to see a reversal. Granted, it looked like we just did a nice bottom and we're trying to accumulate to go higher, but this could also turn over as well. We don't know. But of course, I still got a nice little Uni bag as well. Now, of course, you know, guys, one of my most controversial coins, Wi-Fi. Of course, the past 30 days, you can see a nice dead cat bounce and continuing nice. And we might even be hitting another dead cat bounce, continuing to go lower, continuing trying to find the bottom here. But you can see it like right here, like it even looks crazier, like right here, like it looks like really like a dead cat bounce here when you come to like the 90-day. So there's a lot of volume coming in, but so this is why I want you guys to be careful when it comes to like these alts. I know you could have easily bought a top and you're seeing like crazy amounts of like losses, but really just like hold on and keep moving and just keep learning and investing in this space, and you'll be okay. But like I said, you definitely got to reevaluate your portfolio before anything goes down. But yeah, other than that though, check out this new hoodie I just got. Shout out to Brit2 Bratty. She just got an Etsy store, and she shout out and supported the channel, so I supported by grabbing one of the shirts. It's pretty solid. I like it. It ain't too bad. Crypto hustler here, you know what I'm saying? I'm hustling, grabbing these low coin gems. You know what I'm talking about. But other than that, guys, thank you guys for coming back. Thank you. More content on the way. Trust. Every day, a video this month. Y'all already get it. Other than that, check me out next time. Take it easy. Peace. Yeah.